This is a perfect day here at Southern Field. Get ready, play ball. Ball high. Here comes the second pitch. Ball 2. 2-0 count. We're doing 5 balls and 3 strikes. Ball 3. 3-0 count. Time. Ball 4. Ball 5. Take your base. There is a runner on first. No outs. 5 straight balls. Strike.
That hit my fingers.
It hit your bat. Then it hit your finger. 0-1. Play. Ball. Pick. Pick them up. Pick them up. We don't have enough balls. We only have 7.
We will have a bucket at some time.
Yeah, we will have a bucket. As we are 2 minutes into this game, the Air Raiders are not finding the strike zone. He has thrown six balls and only 1 strike this game. Play. Strike 2. 1 ball, 2 strikes. Switching the bat.
Yeah.
Ball. 2 balls, 2 strikes. Foul ball. I got foul ball. We got sprinkling light rain here at Southern Field. Play. 2-2. Ball 3. I said ball. Why'd you clap? Oh no.
It hit the strike zone though.
Ball 4. Full count.
I swear that hit me though. It hit me right here.
Yeah, if it hits you, it's a ball.
She tried to. Oh.
Ball. Man on first and second. Pick. Pick them real quick. Yeah, put them in there. Put them in the bucket. Austin, what is your thoughts on this game so far?
I am throwing no strikes, and that's a big problem. We might have to switch a pitcher.
Can't switch pitchers.
But we don't have one to switch. That's the problem.
Yeah. Next Monday and Tuesday we will. Isn't that right, Austin? Next Monday and Tuesday. Play. Fair ball! The first hit in ZWL. The first hit in ZWL goes to Brooke. Time. 1 run comes in. 1-0. Brooke, how do you feel on getting the first ZWL hit? You'll get many more in your career, huh? One run comes in. 2-0. Ball Busters are winning. Time. 2-0 Ball Busters. This is a 5-minute inning. Hold on, I'll review that real quick. After the review, strike one. 0-1. Back to the pitcher. It's out. Runner goes 4. You gotta hit the net.
Hit the plate though.
Out. 2 outs. Switch. That was a 6-minute inning. You almost made it in. Austin, how do you feel you will be doing during this inning?
Turn the first double play.
Yeah, first double play in ZWL history. Ball 1. Strike. 1-1. Austin, if I were you, I'd scoot up.
I know, right?
Ball 2. 2 balls, 1 strike. Ball 3. Taking a practice swing. Foul.
I was not trying to hit that.
I know. 3-2.
I was swinging out here out the ball. As soon as I step in, the pitch is already coming.
4-2. Full count.
Last pitch.
Ball 5. Take your base. A lot of great things are happening in this game. Time. We have the first hit goes to Brooke. First walk goes to Brooke.
No, Austin had the first ball.
First double play in ZWL history. You forgot a ball.
I got it. Where's that?
Behind you.
Behind me.
That net back there is the batter's eye, and that's where Homer is going to be. We will see a couple homers
In the next few days.
in the next week because we might only be posting on Mondays and Tuesdays probably. Ball 1. 5 inning games. Ball. Ball.
I think that clip is not.
Make sure to tune into the next video. We have the foul fit. I'll call that fair. First double in ZWL history. Time. Why are we doing celebrations?
Half. But it's at 5 innings.
After the game. Strike!
Time.
Time. Oh yeah, I forgot he's switchy. Ball. Ball. 2-1. Move that ball. Ball 3. Fair. 1 run comes in. He's safe at second with the double. His second double of his career in ZWL. Time. I call time. Fix the mound. More. 2-1. The Ball Busters are winning. Brooke, how do you feel about your pitching so far?
I think it's okay. It could be better.
You need to lock in and try fixing it.
What do you think? You're still winning, okay? But not for long.
Oh,